Well, in every school, examination is such a crucial part which happens on a time to time basis to make sure that their students are progressing on a right direction. So in this video we are just going to see that in what way we can maintain the examination details for the students. And so far we have seen that how we can create the different examination types and in different patterns and different formats. And in this video we will just cover like how easily we can maintain the examination details for a particular student. So just go to students navigation, click on examination. So you can see that as we have clicked on examination, we are landed to the examination form. Now here you can see that there are two different ways of maintaining the examination record. One is mark sheet student wise, another is mark sheet subject wise. So first I will just show you that how can we maintain the examination record for a student. So let's just go for mark sheet student wise. We need to select the session, select the class, select a section, then you can select exam type. For example, I am selecting summative unit test. Now click on search. Now you can see that we will get a list of students for this particular class and section. So we had two records, and we can see there is an action for create or update mark sheet. So I'm just going to create the mark sheet for Lisa Smith. So click on create. Then the create form will appear. Here we can see that there are different subjects like history, geography, maths and physics and science for this particular exam set. What we will do that we are just going to assign marks for couple of the subjects. For example, in history she has a score 35, or say for geography she has a score 37 likewise, and we can save the record. So you can see that her examination record has been saved successfully. So just cancel. So it will just go back to that particular selection page. If I just want to make sure whether our records have been updated successfully or not, so I'll just select the the filters again, the summative unit test, click on search. Again I'm clicking on update mark sheet. You can see that whatever details we have updated, those will be appearing here like obtain marks. So this was one way like we can assign marks for a particular students into different subjects. And there is another way I'm just going to show you. We can also create their mark sheets per subject wise. So just go to examination at the top, click on mark sheet subject wise. Now there are certain filters, so just select session, class, section name, select exam type like summative, select unit test, subject like in individual record we have selected history and geography. This time I'm selecting mathematics. Mode of examination, if there is any mode of examination you can select. If there is no examination, it will appear as not applicable. Now click on show button. So you can see that this will show me like two records for these two students with the max marks option. So we can assign some marks for these students like 35 or maybe like 39. Now I can save this particular record. So now as I have saved, the records has been saved successfully. So this is another way of creating mark sheet. I will also show you another one more example with this option. Like we have selected mathematics, this time I'm just going to select science. In science we have created two different mode of exams, so like theory and practical. So I'm just going to assign some marks for theory. Just select theory and then click on show. So you can see like the marks for theory examination would be appearing here. So let me assign marks, save it, select practical, click on show, you can see that the practical marks would be appearing here. So you can assign some marks for practical examination as well. Say for example 29, 28, save the record. So these are the two different ways we can easily assign marks for different students for a particular class, particular section, and different kind of subjects, exams, etc. So this is how like we can maintain the examination record for different students in a SchoolTonic system.